shit. So first things first, I got the power shut off as you know. Go look at your breaker box, wherever it is in the house. Find out what breaker you're trying to find out and turn it off. Simple. This is an old outlet I found somewhere, so I'm gonna just reuse it again. So I gotta take it out, take all the old wires off it and put it back in again. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but it is what it is. There we go. Little box. So I'm gonna figure out a place to put this for this cord. Try to put it. That's probably a good place right there. Yeah, right there. So now I get my screws. Screw gun, I'll tighten her down. Okay. Neutral, we'll do the ground next. Same thing in the loop. One screw clockwise. Just screw it in. And we'll go back and do the black wire. And screw around clockwise just like that. Alright, now power plate on here. Take your screws, screw it back in again. Alright, book shoes. So I'm going to take this ground screw off right here. I have on this one. Use this one for ground tying. Off like that. So where this comes in handy is screen wire. So I'll take the one I just put in here. Slide through like that. Take the old ground wire, just cut off. Tie it together like that, just twist. This in there and twist them together like that. That way there. Touch it in. Get contact in case something blows up or shorts. There. Pulses are our fault. And then this box is screw around it. There we go. Just like that. Take this ground screw or ground wire, wrap it, clip it, like that. ground screw. Tack together like that. Screw back on. So the one just pull on there. The other just pull on. It's grounded. I'll take the wire strips and the one we just did. I'll put on the outlet in this box. Hot. There's the neutral. Okay, so take the end of that. Bend it. Bend it. Like that. Take out the extra terminals on the outlet. Take the black wire, put that on there, just like that. I'll screw down like that. Yeah, same thing with the neutral. I'll take the extra screw we have on here, pull her up, just like that. Take this. Internal, and we'll screw down. Last thing we do is just take your door plate. Tie this back on. Still. Like shit, I just check the power, turn it on, everything works. If you like this video, please share. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. And be sure to subscribe for more content. Check me on Twitter. I should have a lot more of these videos coming out soon. I'm trying to crank out as much as I can. Maybe some more how-tos going out. We'll see what happens. Maybe I'll take my drone out too, and we'll fly that around. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. So hope you enjoyed this video. Look, she is Crocodile Buzz out.